Hi, this is Darshan Shah with Gigamon, and I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of the Network Tools Efficiency Wizard. I'll start by giving you background and then walk you through the wizard. Here is a common and problematic scenario. On the left side, you have your IT infrastructure, and on the right side, tools. As the traffic grows in your IT infrastructure, so does the need for more tools, and that brings complexity. Eventually, that complexity gets so large that you'll have incomplete visibility, performance degradation, and security gaps. In addition to that, you may see more tool sprawl, which leads to higher costs and noise. The Gigamon Visibility and Analytics Fabric helps solve that. And at the very basic level, the fabric gives you visibility to all of your data in motion, regardless of medium. That traffic is then aggregated into the fabric, and brokering capabilities can be applied. What that basically means is getting the right traffic to the right tools. In addition to that, the fabric has transformative capabilities that you can use. One example are capabilities that reduce irrelevant traffic to tools like deduplication, filtering, and slicing. Another example is you can offload decryption from tools to the fabric in a centralized way. And the brokering and transformative capabilities are what we feature in the wizard, and we show you what the impact is when you apply those capabilities. Now, the fabric also enables you to analyze your traffic and connect to popular analytics tools. So let's now do a walkthrough of the wizard. Here is the first screen you'll see when you start using the wizard. When you come over here to question number 1, the first thing you're going to do is rank order in order of importance to your organization these priorities. And you can do this by dragging and dropping. The next step is to tell us how much network traffic is going to your tools. We need this for calculations. And what is the growth rate annually of that traffic? If you're not sure, we'll use industry averages. And you'll get some preliminary results showing up on the right side. Now, step 2, and this is an optional step, you can fine tune your results. And based on your top priority, we're going to show you various Gigamon capabilities that are available to you that can help have an impact. So your top priority in this case was reduce tool sprawl, and maybe you think that you wouldn't be using any slicing. You can just toggle that switch off, and in the next step, we'll show you the impact to your results. And you can come back to this step and play with this interactively. Now, we also need to take into account the tools that are in your environment. And we list 6 common tools here. If you see something on this list that you don't have in your environment, be sure to unclick that. You can also add a tool here and be sure to add the unit cost for that tool. That's important for some of our calculations. And you should also edit any of these other tool unit costs if they're very different from what you see here. Now, when you go to step 3, you're going to start to see a preview of your results. So for your top priority, we already show you an idea of how much you could reduce tool sprawl. When you fill out the form, you will see that the other priorities, you can see a preview for those as well. A report's going to get sent to you, and if you don't see it within 10 minutes, be sure to check your junk or spam folder. So there you have it. We developed this wizard because customers were surprised how much impact that these capabilities have had for their environment. We hear stories of anywhere from 30 to 60% reduction in irrelevant traffic from deduplication. And for some customers that combine different reduction capabilities, we've heard of up to like 90% reduction in irrelevant traffic. Those kinds of numbers can have a very significant impact on things like tool sprawl and reducing tool costs. So now it's your turn. Use the wizard so you can get an idea of the possibilities for your environment, and hope this helps you gain some insights. Thank you.